Republic of the Philippines, Province of Eastern Samar, City of Borongan, Barangay May Bakong. This certificate of appreciation is awarded to 77 Culminimart for his or her invaluable contribution as a benefactor during the conduct of the Barangay Assembly Day for the first semester of the calendar year 2026 on March 21 at Barangay Covered Court, May Bakong, City of Borongan, Eastern Samar, given this 21st day of March in the year of our Lord 2026. Signed by our Punong Barangay, Honorable Roberto Bicalinaya. Same certificate to G. Ace Acopio. Same certificate to Maria Delma Sigador. Okay, thank you so much sa iyo mga sir, and iyo mga sponsor.